Welcome to day 25. We are in the last little stretch of this Halloween themed prints. Today we have our very first articulated 3D print. Check this out. And here we have it, a nice little keychain or Halloween ornament articulated skeleton. Nice little print, no supports. If you would like a link to the design, I've mentioned it over some of the videos, but all the designs are linked in the description box below. If you guys in fact enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel. We'll be having a variety of different 3D printing content, and stay tuned for tomorrow.